Wondering who followed you back on Threads, or maybe you're just curious to see who's following you? Well, Threads offer a simple way to check them. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to talk about how to check followers on Threads. To view the following list on Threads, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the privacy icon at the top left corner. After that, tap on the profiles you follow option, and here you can see the following list on Threads. And you can do one more thing. You can just sort the followers by tapping on the sort option. Here you can see the options, like you can change it to latest first or earliest first, or you can keep it on the default. And that's how you see the following list on the Threads by Instagram. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.